मैंने लिखना पढ़ना तो तेरी आँखों से सीखा है, वरना मुझ जाहिल की क्या हिम्मत। और तुझे हासिल करने की तमन्ना तो सब रखते हैं, इस गरीब की क्या खिदमत। I am a very big fan of Rakhi Sawant and I would love to be compared with her. इतनी मर मरा के इतना बैंड बजवाना पड़ता है ना यहाँ पे. It's very difficult to crack one bloody job. नशा के पहले उससे भी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग फिल्में आई हुई हैं जिसके पोस्टर्स नहीं जले हैं, कुछ नहीं है उस मूवी के अंदर, एक सीन भी नहीं है. आई वाज लाइक ये क्या हुआ, यू नो. एंड देन देयर वाज अ स्पैम ऑफ गुड 4 years that there was no work, absolute no work. For me, either it was a do or die, you know, situation. Either you be Poonam Pandey, do something, or work in a call center, boss. This industry only works with a lot of connections. Of course, we all know that. मैंने ठीक है, रुकती हूँ, देखती हूँ, नहीं आ रहा था, काम नहीं आ रहा था. And I decided the move of being sexy. And it worked. I mean, I'm paying my electricity bill with that money. There's no harm being bold, right? जो हमने 10 साल पहले चालू किया था, आज आप देखो इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ भी स्क्रॉल करो, आपको हर जगह पूनम पांडे अब नजर आती है. तो आप किस किस को बोल्ड बोलोगे, मुझे बताओ. Whatever I do it on the internet, boss. मतलब तुम्हारा बटन कोई क्लिक करने का मन करे तब तुम क्लिक करोगे और कुछ देखोगे जब तुम्हारा मन करे. So you can't go in front of anybody's face and do whatever the f*** you want to do. वर्ल्ड कप कंट्रोवर्सी हैपन 2011. उसके बाद कुछ 22 कोर्ट केस हुए थे मुझ पे. सो पूनम पांडे का जन्म वही हुआ था. आई जस्ट फेल्ट दैट, यू नो,
There was this picture next to Sachin as a Hindu god in the Pakistani.
that was one of the biggest controversy because I remember getting calls and I was like, how do I explain people? I never did that.
Is it a struggle every day when you wake up that
Yeah, every single day. There are nights, you know, that you just want to cry because it's painful, it's hurting, you know, that like you're portraying something out there which you are not.
what keeps you going?
There are certain people who have just come into my life and, you know, have made a lot of shitload of money out of me. 15 साल से, you know, just being Poonam Pandey and I love my brand and all that, which is great, but I was here to act. Only acting, you know. और वो एक्टिंग के अलावा मैंने सारी एक्टिंग कर ली दुनिया में, बट जो करने आई थी वो अभी तक नहीं कर पाई.
Hi guys, this is Ankita Bhala. You're tuned to Bollywood Babble, and today Poonam Pandey is going to first tell me that what exactly is the image which I should be starting off when I sit across you, because people have multiple versions and people have so much to say. But I want to know from Poonam, who's Poonam?
Actually, when I want to know that, it's quite confusing, right? Sometimes.
Yes,
The
it is.
all, it's like, you know, probably Devi, जिसके बहुत सारे variations होते हैं, you know, like all sorts of variations, I suppose, yeah.
But how do you react to this entire media perception which is around you? And of course, we'll break down a bit further. But the first image, the first thought which anyone associates with you is, oh, she's bold, she's vivacious, she's out there in the face. How do you react to that, just as a person?
There's no harm being bold, right? आज आप देखो तो जो हमने 10 साल पहले चालू किया था, आज आप देखो इंस्टाग्राम पे कुछ भी स्क्रॉल करो, आपको हर जगह पूनम पांडे अब नज़र आती है. तो आप किस किस को बोल्ड बोलोगे, मुझे बताओ. लाइक नाउ तो एवरी सेकेंड चिक आउट देयर इज वेयरिंग व्हाटएवर शी फील्स लाइक, पोस्टिंग द काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर शी वांट्स. जिस चीज़ के लिए मुझे पहले बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रोल किया जाता था कि अरे हाउ कुड शी, यू नो, हमारी संस्कृति. आपकी संस्कृति, मैं खुद पांडे हूँ यार, मैं खुद भी पूजा करती हूँ, बट मेरे पूजा करने से और मेरे कपड़े पहनने से क्या कनेक्शन है? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सो आई वुड like, you know, being bold as a profession that I hold, that has got nothing to do with my personal life, is what I'm trying to say.
So, do you think this entire imagery is more of a misconception amongst the viewers and the people who consume such content?
See, misconception, no, बिकॉज हम एक तरह का परसेप्शन लोगों के सामने बनाते हैं, राइट? देर इज अ ब्रांड और देर इज अ persona called Poonam Pandey, you know, who sells the kind of video she sells, you know, erotica star and whatsoever, and she's out there. But if you ask me in person, मैं मतलब I don't walk around in my house, though I love cooking. I love it. Trust me. When there is no one in my house, I love doing that. Apart from that, apart from that, it's like, you know, I cook, like I said, you know, and I play. I have a very beautiful family, and हम जैसे जैसे आप हो मैं हूँ, बिल्कुल मैं एलियन नहीं हूँ, तो बस.
That's the right thing you said, that मैं alien नहीं हूँ. But Poonam, do you think the descent and the first brush of people not liking your persona, your brand, came from a place where men felt intimidated by you?
Oh, thank you for saying that. I still I still have to go through that. I mean, I don't know why though. You know, I mean, do you think मैं कहाँ से intimidating लगती हूँ? You know, and I still go through. In fact, something I'd like to share, like quite recently, you know, that like good amount of like 2-3 big jobs, you know, यहाँ तक आया है, contract sign होने तक आके, और ऐसे पीछे हट जाता है. And it's so frustrating, you know, कि आप efforts डालते हो, you know, you put in, you know, कि अरे, you know, you're gonna sign this. मॉम को बताया नहीं, you know, like keeping everything कि अरे नहीं, कुछ कहीं पे भी जिंक्स नहीं करूँगी, मॉम को डायरेक्टली पेड़े के साथ I'll meet. और यार उस पे भी तुम लोग मतलब, you know, so it's frustrating. I don't know why I'm sharing this, but yeah.
So, yeah, and because I'm trying to understand that, is it also coming from the space where that's what I asked you, that men feel intimidated by you as a persona?
They do.
But why?
I don't know. मैं अच्छी कुक भी हूँ और मैं कैसे कुक करती हूँ वो भी बता दिया. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे कहा, मेरे 4 हाथ तो है नहीं.
Do you think it's also coming from the space कि हम लोग अपनी, जो आपने शुरू में मुझे बोला, अपनी मोरालिटी, अपनी संस्कृति, अपनी सभ्यता, हम उन वर्ड्स को बहुत लिटरली ट्रांसलेट करना चाहते हैं स्क्रीन पे एक इमेजरी के तौर पे?
See, I tell you, Sanskriti, Sabhyata, right? I, with all due respect to any other actor, any other celebrity, I can sit right now and perform a proper puja in front of you with Saat Pan ka patta, you know, with Kalash, everything. I've know each and everything. And again I repeat, that's got nothing to do with my, you know, the entire Poonam Pandey thing that I've been selling out there. मैं उसी का तो खा रही हूँ. That's my bread and butter. So and I own it. I love it. But that's not, मतलब, you know, वैसा नहीं है कि,
That's not just only you. There is so much more to you.
हाँ, वो बहुत बुरा लगता है, पता है, कि लोग बाहर ने कि अरे कुछ भी जॉब देने से पहले कुछ नहीं, अरे यार बट शी तो पोस्ट लॉट ऑफ सेक्सी पिक्चर्स ना, इमीडिएटली ऐसे इतना ऑब्जेक्टिफाई करके एक ब्रैकेट में डाल देते हैं बिना ये जाने कि ओ शी लर्न, शी नोज हाउ टू डू भरतनाट्यम ऑल्सो. Oh, she learns, you know, that I know like a lot of other things, but yeah.
जब फर्स्ट टाइम डिसाइड किया पूनम कि मे बी दिस इज द ब्रांड इमेजरी यू वांट टू कंस्ट्रक्ट, एक्चुअली वो थॉट आया कहाँ से था? आई एम क्यूरियस टू नो, बिकॉज इट वाज अ ब्रेव मूव व्हेन यू डिड इट.
Completely.
15 years almost.
Yeah, 15 years.
15 years.
15 years I've been dealing with this amazing persona, which is amazing, and all done by me. I'm not sitting here and regretting the fact, you know, nothing. When I came into this industry, I still remember very clearly, it's like कि कल ही हुआ है. नशा फिल्म होती है, नशा फिल्म होने के बाद, you know, एक तो पहली आउटसाइडर इतनी मरा के इतना बैंड बजवाना पड़ता है ना यहाँ पे, it's very difficult to crack one bloody job. And you crack this one film and you feel like, oh God, finally, you know, I've done all my acting courses and people are going to love my work and I might get more job. Dude, वो तो छोड़ो, जो आ रहा था वो भी रुक गया. I was like, ये क्या हुआ, you know? And then there was a span of good 4 years that there was no work. Absolute no work. And for me, either it was a do or die, situation. Either you be Poonam Pandey, do something, or work in a call center, boss. Get out of this industry, because this industry only works with a lot of connections. Of course, we all know that. या तो बहुत तुमको पता नहीं, सबके अपने अपने तौर तरीके यहाँ पे रहने के करने के. मैंने ठीक है, रुकती हूँ, देखती हूँ, नहीं आ रहा था, काम नहीं आ रहा था. And I decided the move of being sexy. And it worked. I mean, I'm paying my electricity bill with that money, so I mean, yeah.
You spoke about Nasha. Nasha, I think 2013?
2013,
2013.
yes.
I'm surprised that the film, the kind of reaction it received for the...
Critically, it was appreciated.
yeah.
People loved the film, yes.
But yes, the posters being burnt and
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा as they call it अश्लीलता या बहुत ज़्यादा X-rated content जो
Yeah.
लोगों को मिला. ऐसा नहीं था कि इससे पहले ऐसी फिल्में नहीं थी जहाँ पे आप सेक्सुअल कोनोटेशन में या उस लाइट में एक्ट्रेसेस को या सब्जेक्ट को नहीं दिखा रहे थे.
देखिए,
What went wrong with your part then there?
See, sorry, I'm cutting you there. So this film, first of all, it's... Matlab, even today, entire family can sit and watch the film.
I've seen it, so I know.
You've seen the film,
I've
right?
seen, so I'm talking legitimately
There
on
is
that.
nothing in that film. Like, nothing. Like, not even one, एक scene भी नहीं है. कुछ नहीं है उस movie के अंदर. Nothing is there. And उसके पहले, नशा के पहले, काफ़ी उससे भी ज़्यादा strong फिल्में आई हुई हैं, जिसके posters नहीं जले हैं. And me being the most positive nari on earth, when that was happening, मैं in my... एक रहता ना कि जब चीज़ें कुछ भी होती ना लाइफ में, that you only want to look for the positive aspect. So for me कि ठीक है पूनम, जो भी हो रहा है positively, चल पूनम, मूवी को publicity मिलेगी, कुछ I'm just being positive. But now that I'm 34 and I look back, I'm like, क्यों किया? क्या था फिल्म में? कुछ नहीं था फिल्म में. And it's just all of a sudden film ऐसे आती है, एक दिन पहले multiplex से film हटा दी जाती. Yeah, that all has happened with Nasha. It was weird. That entire thing was weird.
You said that you lost on a lot of work and those 4 years were a dearth of जैसे होता है ना कि
Completely, not a single call.
Would you like to talk about it? What was the kind of work which actually came your way? As you said ना यहाँ तक आया और पूरा नहीं हुआ.
A lot of big production houses, Ankita. I will not name it. And the funniest part is, what's more frustrating, and actually it's very fresh, which happened just yesterday. That's why I think I'm talking about it.
It's still
So,
happening.
and it feels pathetic, कि आप पूरी चीज़ें लॉक करते हो. और आप ये नहीं सोचते कि कोई भी आर्टिस्ट, मतलब किसी को भी बुरा लगता है यार. हम लोग भी, 15 साल से, just being Poonam Pandey, and I love my brand and all that, which is great, but I was here to act. Only acting, और वो acting के अलावा मैंने सारी acting कर ली दुनिया में, but जो करने आई थी वो अभी तक नहीं कर पाई.
How old were you when Nasha came?
I was 21, 22.
Pretty young, just fresh out of college.
Pretty young, yeah.
Somebody who's pretty young, who has no idea how the industry works.
Zero.
You are an outsider.
Came from Thane, has no clue. अच्छा यहाँ पे ऐसे लोगों को मिलना पड़ता है, ये करना पड़ता है. Zero idea.
I'm asking you this because it's also a very vulnerable age and impressionable age where while we're trying to find our feet, there are people and forces out there who don't make it easy for you. And I say it bluntly. It's not just the casting couch. It's also about the wrong decisions which people put in your head. The people around
I
you
agree with you.
Who don't want to see you succeed.
Oh, askme.com. Know that.
Can you shed me some light on that? Because I think it was, what I can understand from your conversation is, it was amalgamation of all. वो सब एक साथ ही इकट्ठा हो गया उन 4 सालों में. Was it?
I mean, a lot of bad influence. People always... And that age is also such an interesting age, na, कि there's like so much aggression in you, na, कि यार ये करना है, वो करना है, पूरम तो कर सकती है, you came from Thane, you did Kingfisher Calendar, तो तू ये भी कर सकती है, that confidence which I still have apparently. मतलब मर चुकी है पर मरी नहीं हूँ. Situation वो है मेरी, है ना. तो so yeah, that and casting couch universe has been very kind to me, very, very kind to me. And I feel very sorry for all these women who've gone through it. Extremely sorry for them. बट ऐसा कोई भी केस मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज आई एम वेरी गुंडा ऑल्सो ना, तू बोलेगा तो दे देगा, यू नो, आई एम लाइक दैट लिटिल बिट. तो मैं बच गई वहाँ पे. शायद इसी वजह से काम नहीं मिला. आई डोंट नो. It's too strong to say that. Sorry. Yeah.
No, but then you agree that there were forces and influences around you which
Yeah.
maybe didn't give you the best possible advice at
Nah,
that time.
absolutely not. Yeah.
Do you, if you look back ever and rewind those 15 to 17 years of struggle technically, because उससे बहुत पहले इंसान स्ट्रगल करना शुरू कर देता है, कभी ऐसा लगता है कि किसी ने मुझे इस पूरे दौर में बोला होता कि थोड़ा टोन डाउन कर दो अपने ब्रांड?
काश किसी ने बोला होता.
Nobody told you that.
काश किसी ने बोला होता. मैं ज़िंदगी में पूनम पांडे नहीं बनती. बट अगर आप वो बन चुके हो ना, सो सी नाउ आई कैन नॉट सिट एंड क्राई.
Yep.
अब हो चुका है, मतलब अब हो चुका है, यू नो. नाउ द क्राइम इज, सो नाउ आई ओन इट अप, एंड आई ओन इट अप ग्रेसफुली. Because been there, done that, seen everything, seen the life, being judged, being insulted, you know, lot of things.
When you say being judged, being insulted, being there, nobody could, give you the right suggestions at that time. How was it for the family to understand what my child is going to do, is doing, what is she up to? How difficult was it to make them sit down and understand that this is profession, this is an imagery market, this is how I'm playing?
So mom is extremely naive. Matlab, she doesn't even know how to use YouTube. She's like that bichara. Matlab, you know, housewife, and I've been working from the age of the 6th grades. I've been, you know, trying to pay my school fees. But life has been a real struggle for me, like extreme struggle. And uske upar se when you come here, and you know, I really I'm getting angry also right now with these questions, because I'm like literally sab wapas aa raha hai. The kind of judgment you get now, oh God, I tell you, it's madness. It's, and to the point, you know, that you put yourself in a shell, you know, that you don't want to get out of the shell, you know. It's,
You said life was tough. Why did a 6th standard child was keen to pay the fee? Was it coming
because
from the
financial issues ghar pe. There were a lot of things. So yeah.
That child who's been working, say you're 12, must be by the time you would have
Yeah.
understood the concept of money, the importance of money,
Yeah.
and the life it could give you.
Yeah.
For that young girl, then suddenly coming to Bollywood, thinking that this would be
This will change my life.
But
This will make me the Shah Rukh Khan.
but when it didn't, was it difficult for you emotionally as a human being
Very.
to comprehend?
Very, very, very. Matlab, there are nights, you know, like I would just holding up right now. There are nights, you know, that you just want to cry, because it's painful. It's hurting, you know, that the kind of, like, you're portraying something out there which you are not.
Is it a struggle every day when you wake up that
Yeah. Every single day.
it's very easy to accept defeat, lock yourself in the room? Actually, also not very easy in the other sense, because
that's the worst.
to admit that things are not working out, but then every day you get up and you're like, gotta do it again. What kept you going?
Trust me, only God. Only God. I would. So even now, when I wake up now, I would put a Hanuman Chalisa next to me on my bed. I say, "Aakh khulte khulte," I would do that, or, you know, like play Om Namah Shivaya, something, you know, that, and you just wake up and like, "Theek hai," you know, Poonam, you know, get your strength back, and it's literally every morning I do that, and it's quite helpful. I mean, in my case, yes.
I don't know. This
I know
I
it doesn't
should-
work out with
Yeah.
the entire
No,
image, right?
No, there is something. I was wondering when you took this small break that you have often said you're not ashamed of your body. You have took
No.
a lot of, and even now also you're very clear that this is the image you have built. Do you feel exploited by people who only wanted to be part of that image?
Yes. There are certain people who have just come into my life and, have made a lot of shitload of money out of me. A lot of I would not name them, but yes, there are people.
Does it make you bitter towards the idea of trust and love?
Freak, great question. Trust issues, yes, I've been dealing with that. Big, matlab, I very difficult. Can't trust anybody. Very big issue with trusting people. That happens. Not bad, huh? You asked me something. No one has asked me something like this before.
Because so now if there are trust issues, then of course there would be difficulty in also finding love. When I say difficulty finding love, not just the partner love, the kind of love which we expect from our friends, from the peers, from the people around us. सबको जब आपसे कुछ ना कुछ they कहते हैं ना when everyone needs a piece of you,
Yeah,
but they
everyone. Where you just want to love them. And there's so much love in you now that you just want to adore them. But it feels sad, It feels like there was a point, abhi to khair mein, I'm still in a better. There was a point I was like, कि मतलब भगवान मतलब ये कितने हर एक इंसान वैसा होता है क्या? Like, is every human is selfish? Like, is everyone, they all just want something out of you? Or they are your friends to get something out of you? It's so sad to see that, right? Matlab, but I've been lugged out recently, that I have few very little.
are close.
So my school friends have always been there, part of my life. Someone who I can trust completely. Apart from that, like 2-3 friends of mine that they're very close to me, but apart from them, तो नहीं.
तो जब द पूनम पांडे ब्रांड बन रहा था और जो बहुत ब्लेटेंटली हम बात करें जो जैसा ब्रांड था जो दिख रहा था जो वो फ्रेंड्स थे भी जो कुछ लोग सर्कल में थे भी वो दे हार्श इन देयर जजमेंट्स टुवर्ड्स
Very, very. I still remember I had a nasty fight with one of my girlfriends, and there was this World Cup controversy happened, 2011. And it was like, "Hey, how do you become a celebrity? Like, I'm doing jobs. I don't know anybody in this industry. Oh, I love cricket. Poonam, let's do something." And this girl, she said, "Ki, Poonam, how could you say something so, itna himmat, mujhe bhi sharam aata hai to call you my friend." And that broke me. I was like, oh God, she used to be my closest friend. So it started from there.
And I don't think it ended very soon because allow me if you want if you'll be okay talking about it. Uh, your marriage became a public, I would say, a public
I mean,
consumption.
with all due
facade.
respect, everyone was around me just to have some money out of me.
But what hurt me as an individual, not just I'm saying that to say this to the camera, any woman who has to go through any kind of abuse in any kind of relationship, not just it was only short lived with Sam, but when you spoke finally about it, that what you all two had to go through, how you resurrect yourself back, how you build yourself back from that.
I mean, still difficult. Like I cannot watch, some strong films or something. I cannot watch even now.
The
So
content
those-
which triggers.
No, yeah, completely. Yeah, but apart, oh, dude, Puram, this is a one intense podcast, huh? See, one thing I tell you, what has always been very helpful, and I always, so I would talk to plants, talk to universe, put my energy out and like, hey, help me, and it's always been helpful. Universe has always been there for me, got me out of ब्रेन हेमरेज से कितने लोग बाहर निकल के ऐसे बैठ के और भी काम कर सकते हैं. मतलब आई अगेन फील सॉरी फॉर विद whoever must have gone through it, but my case बची हूँ और ठीक ठाक हूँ. Yeah.
फिर से सेटल होना, प्यार करना, शादी करना कार्ड्स पे है?
वो हिम्मत नहीं है। नहीं नहीं, जय राम जी की। वो नहीं चाहिए। मैं अकेली खुश हूँ, बहुत खुश हूँ। अपने लिए खाना बना लूंगी मैं अपने डॉग के साथ हूँ, मस्त लाइफ है।
बट
वो
अकेले लाइफ
स्ट्रेस
कहाँ से
चाहिए
आते हैं?
क्यों? तुम you would love someone and the person will again take you for granted, and it's not a good space. You lose self respect.
Yes.
And why to lose self respect? जो तुम अपने माँ बाप को अपने लिए करने, मतलब उनका तुम नहीं सुनोगे, तो किसी और का क्यों बैठे हो यहाँ पे सुनने के लिए?
Sorry, I'm cross questioning you on this one.
It's okay.
You said गुंडी हूँ मैं.
मस्ती खोर
हाँ, मतलब कि you can take stand for yourself.
हाँ.
Somebody who could know कि ये गलत है, ये सही है. Was it just because you were in love with your partner at that time
Completely I was.
that you let things happen to you?
Completely I was.
It's just
And I was forgiving.
you were letting it go for the
I
longest time.
was stupid. Now that I look back, I genuinely I call myself stupid. कहाँ मतलब I read books, कहाँ मतलब तुम्हारी सोच बूझ सब गायब हो जाती, तुमको कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता है. And it's very scary space also to be in. See, love is a very strong, probably one of the strongest emotion.
Yes.
है ना? But वो इमोशन अगर तुम कोई गलत इंसान पे अगर जहाँ तुमने डाल दिया ना, बॉस तुम्हारी बैंड बज गई लाइफ में. So you have to be very careful. And hence, if in maybe one day in life, if I get married or 100% 40 के बाद, तब तक तो ट्रस्ट आने नहीं वाला मेरा किसी पे भी. और मैं करूँ भी क्यों? जो कुछ I've seen in life, I don't want to trust anybody. And why should I trust anybody? The minute I've only started trusting someone is I've only gotten कुछ ना कुछ मतलब गलत ही मिला है. तो
क्योंकि मुझे याद है जब पूरा एपिसोड ब्रेक हुआ था एंड जब आपने फाइनली आके बात करी कि देयर वाज अ सर्टेन फिजिकल असॉल्ट सिचुएशन आल्सो इन्वॉल्व्ड, आई वाज आल्सो रीडिंग द कमेंट्स एंड द रिपोर्ट्स एंड इट वाज सो इजी फॉर एवरीवन टू डिसमिस, अरे शी इज डूइंग फॉर पब्लिसिटी. बट व्हाई वुड एनीवन टॉक अबाउट द ट्रॉमा?
इसीलिए तो मैं सॉरी करी, इसी तो मैं इतने टाइम से मैं बात भी नहीं करती थी. आई वॉज नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट बिकॉज आई नो मैं कुछ बोलूँगी ना तो बाहर जाके लोग तो ये तो पब्लिसिटी के लिए कर रही होगी. मतलब मैं इंसान तो हूँ ही नहीं ना, मेरे अंदर तो फीलिंग्स है ही नहीं. ऐसे तो मुझे मतलब ये तो पूनम पांडे से साइड में रख दिया, और मैंने भी उसमें कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी है वो करने में. आई एक्सेप्ट दैट. लेकिन हमारे साथ भी बुरा हो सकता है यार. मतलब we all are humans, right, at the end. So that is the internet. These people, they're very cruel. The trolls are very cruel. They don't understand ना, ये लोग किसी के लिए एक ऐसा कुछ बोल देते हैं ना, और कोई कौन से दौर से किधर से गुजर रहा होगा उनको कुछ पता नहीं है. सॉरी फॉर माई लैंग्वेज, घंटा नॉलेज नहीं है. बट दे जस्ट गो आउट एंड दे राइट किसी की भी माँ के ऊपर, बहन के ऊपर. अभी रिसेंटली मेरी मॉम का भी एक आया था रिसेंट.
जी आई सॉ दैट.
और मैंने नीचे कुछ कमेंट्स पढ़े. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम सोच रही थी, पता है, लाइफ में आई हैव नेवर रिप्लाइड टू एनीवन. एंड फर्स्ट टाइम आई थॉट मतलब you write something about my mother, I will tear you apart. They were writing a lot, or I was controlling. I was like, how can you write about my mother? तुमको मुझे आज तक बोलते हो,
सुन रही हूँ,
मैं सुन रही हूँ. माँ तक मत जाओ यार, मैं तुम्हारा घर ढूंढ के मारूंगी तुमको. I swear, because I can't listen to that shit about my mother.
कितना फनी है कि यही जो लोग बोलते हैं ना दैट यू लोअर द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर वुमेन इन द कंट्री, तो इनके स्टैंडर्ड्स कहाँ जाते हैं?
उनकी स्टैंडर्ड्स की वजह से तो मैं जिंदा हूँ. एक्चुअली बिकॉज entire Poonam Pandey is alive on the internet. Why? You are keeping me alive ना. तुमको इतना तुम्हारी स्टैंडर्ड्स की पड़ी है तो मत देखो मेरे वीडियोस. As simple as that. But now you're loving me on one hand and on the other hand you're going out and talking bad about me, तो मैं तो नहीं सुनूंगी ना.
And so easy. आपने रियलाइज किया कितनी ज़्यादा विलिफिकेशन एक औरत के लिए एक औरत की तरफ से ही आती है.
अरे madness.
मतलब I sometimes feel that opposite sex इतना suppressed रहा है इतने टाइम के लिए कि क्या कि वहाँ का कहते ना कि वहाँ की कुंठा है, वहाँ की खुन्नस है जो निकल रही है, या शायद हमने ही अपनी अदर फीमेल काउंटर पार्ट्स को हमने डिसअपॉइंट कर दिया कहीं ना कहीं. हमने कभी उन्हें वो एजेंसी नहीं दी कि वो हर चीज़ को अपने तरीके से अपने लेंस से देख पाएँ. हर कोई उनकी सोच कंट्रोल करना चाहता है.
हर कोई सोच कंट्रोल करना चाहता है. सब बड़ा झूठ सा लगता है. Having a female friend also, I mean, या तो वो आपकी बहुत अच्छी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, बहुत ही अच्छी, या तो वो कुछ नहीं है आपकी, और वो कभी आपकी कुछ हो भी नहीं सकती. क्योंकि जो शुरुआत में अगर नहीं हो सकता वो कभी नहीं हो सकता. तो वो सिर्फ एक दिखावा है. इट्स जस्ट अ फेक फेस. Hi, how are you doing? Oh my god, I love those earrings, huh? Such pretty. From where did you buy? It's मतलब तू बहन क्या बात कर रही है? मतलब so it's frustrating, because
जेलसी सीप्स इन.
हाँ. और फिर दूसरी साइड की लड़की बोलती अच्छा बेटा तुमको जेलस ही नहीं, मैं तुमको और जेलस करती हूँ. मतलब कंपटीशन लगा हुआ है. किसको जीतना है, किसको क्या मिल रहा है, किसी को नहीं पता. It's such a f up situation. No? Yeah.
In this entire situation also, which before we touch upon other things, I want to take your take on how you handle media. I mean, media loves you, of course. They pap you. You're always covered. You're always, looked out for that. Oh, she's here, she's there. But when the very same media on a given day would put out a video which seemingly can look like more of a objectionable, zooming in. Not just the paps, I'm saying, even the outlets, when they write articles with your names without verifying information, the vilification of Poonam Pandey from the hands of media. How do you take it? Because you are a media created phenomena to the largest extent.
See, I mean, being famous, being out there, everything comes with their pros and cons. Today, with whatever I am, and I only always give credit to the media guys. और मैं जब तक हूँ तब तक दूंगी, बिकॉज मुझे ना यहाँ के तो मुझे किसी ने नहीं बनाया. मुझे अगर बैठी भी अगर हम बात भी कर रहे हैं तो दिस इज़ कम्प्लीटली मीडिया हैज़ गिवन मी व्हाट दे हैव गिवन मी. अगर उसके साथ साथ वो मेरे को थोड़ा सा बुरा भी दे देते ना तो मेरा चलता है. आपका चलता है क्योंकि जब वर्ल्ड कप से लेके एंड आई एम टोटली मीडिया क्रिएटेड पर्सन.
मतलब वेरिफिकेशन का भी बॉदर करती है कि बिना वेरीफाई करे कुछ भी कह देना, कुछ भी लिख देना.
उतना नहीं. और इतना देख लिया ना लाइफ में कि वो चीज़ मतलब मुझे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. मतलब हाँ ठीक है ना, एक ही हेडलाइन है, ठीक है. इट्स बिकम दैट the thick skin, they say.
Yeah, this World Cup thing, please allow me to talk. I mean, that one statement that you would, of course, strip if the team wins, and if when they won, that BCCI didn't give you the permission. Take me through what exactly happened. How did that statement come out of you? कुछ सोचा था? Was it just a spur of moment? And what were the ramifications of it?
ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत लंबा सोचा था. Could be a spur of moment, yes. Very short, एकदम मतलब excitement. So that entire thing was cricket fan. Of course, every single Indian is a cricket fan, right? And I was this glad rags खत्म कर दिया है, किंगफिशर कैलेंडर किया है, फीलिंग कूल अबाउट योर सेल्फ. सेलिब्रिटी का टैग क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे? सो इट वॉज मोर ऑफ कि अरे यार पूनम अभी वर्ल्ड कप चल रहा है, लेट्स पुट द स्टेटमेंट, मजा आएगा. सो इट वॉज मोर ऑफ अ किड थिंग ऑल्सो. आई से मस्ट बी 18 19. हाँ 19. And एक
before your debut film, na? I remember
before my
your
debut, yeah,
film,
2-3 years before my debut.
2011, I guess, yeah.
Yeah. So it was a lot of masti, and everything came out. And उसके बाद कुछ 22 के कोर्ट केस हुए थे मुझ पे, and I was like, oh shit, मैंने क्या कर दिया. सो पूनम पांडे का जन्म वही हुआ था. आई जस्ट फेल्ट दैट, यू नो, बिकॉज एक बोलते ना कि आप झेल रहे हो, समझ रहे हो, दुनिया को समझ रहे हो. आई थिंक मैंने जितना समझा है ना इस सोसाइटी को, आई कैन राइट अ बुक. 40 साल की होगी, 100% बुक लिखने वाली हूँ.
बट वहां तक भी बात नहीं खत्म हुई थी. मुझे मुझे याद है वो सचिन तेंदुलकर वाला वो जो पिक्चर था ना आपका,
Yeah.
वो क्या था पूनम, क्या सोचा, क्या दिमाग में क्या था? व्हाट वाज दैट
कौन
18-year-old थिंकिंग दैट Sachin, there was this picture next to Sachin as a Hindu god in the Pakistani.
Oh, no, 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 no,
What
no.
was that?
That was not done by me.
Oh.
That was an edited picture. किसी और ने किया था. वो literally मेरा नाम आया था सामने. That was not done by me.
Oh God.
Yeah, that was not done by me.
So you also face these ramifications कि इस एक स्टेटमेंट के बाद लोगों
लोगों
कितना
ने edit करके, yeah, and that was one of the biggest controversy.
Yes, that's why I wanted to ask.
Because I remember getting calls and I was like, how do I explain people? I never did that. मतलब I could be enough ballsy to do everything, but the minute my country comes in, कुछ भी ना, I
And
step
religion,
away.
yes,
I step
come
away.
on.
I step away because वो हमारा एरिया नहीं है. और जहाँ तक सूझ नहीं समझ में है, उसको हाथ ना ही लगाओ तो बेहतर है ना. तो I stayed away. But तो भी ये आ गया.
But no, did you ever able to find out that?
नहीं, आई couldn't. Some fan edit बाहर गया है और हमको कॉल्स आए हैं and I was like, wow.
कब, क्योंकि वो वर्ल्ड कप कंट्रोवर्सी इतनी एक बड़ा मार्क छोड़ गया
Yeah.
इमेज पे, कभी ये लगता है कि जब तक आपने फिल्मों में डेब्यू किया और उसके बाद जो भी एक सर्टन पीरियड आया, लोग आपसे बस वही इमेज का कैरी फॉरवर्ड एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे, कोई आपको एज अ एक्टर या आर्टिस्ट देखने में नहीं, एज अ हाउ टू पुट इट, एज जस्ट
I
एज अ
know.
ब्रांड,
I
एज अ
just, I
फिनोमेना
know.
देखने में
Or maybe-
इंटरेस्टेड था.
See, I tried to clear that with Nasha.
यस.
जब नशा फिल्म आई ना, I made sure that, you know, it's my debut and I would put in my 100%, you know. मैंने वो स्क्रिप्ट, मतलब मुझे मेरे साथ साथ मेरे को पूरी दुनिया की, मुझे पूरा, मैंने वो स्क्रिप्ट कुछ 50-60 बार रटा था. आई गल्प्ड इट डाउन. नींद से 3 बजे भी उठ के मुझे कोई लाइन पूछेगा ना कहीं पे, तो आई वुड, so not just the lines, of course, the entire performance. I'd worked on, you know, I'd put in a lot of efforts. You know, I'll make sure that people would see my work. And I did got call. I remember getting calls from some really big film critic those days, like, "Oh my God, doesn't look like your debut film." And I was like, "Bas, अब तो हो गया मेरा, अब कुछ अच्छा होगा." But then again, I told you the story, so that was the case. Yeah.
इफ़ यू रिफ्लेक्ट बैक, क्या बदला उन 4 सालों में आपके लिए, एज इन हमें लगता है कि द वर्ल्ड इज़ आवर ऑयस्टर, अब यहाँ से सब ठीक हो
वो
जाएगा,
तो मतलब वो 4 साल,
बिकॉज यू वर स्टिल फाइंडिंग फीट टू बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग.
you know, every time I look back now to those 4 years, I'm sitting here now, I feel so peaceful. You know, sometimes we don't really appreciate what we have. है ना, दूर दूर तक अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते. जब कल मुझसे जॉब भी गई थी ना, व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, एंड आई वाज एंग्री, लाइक कि अपने मॉम मतलब मुझे एग्रीमेंट तक भेज दिया यार, मतलब वहाँ तक बात हो कि तुम कैसे कर सकते हो ऐसा. And I was sleeping inside with my dog and just lying down looking at the ceiling, and I'm like, dude, Poonam, from where I've come, while, you know, paying my own school fees से लेके उतनी financial तकलीफ देखी है, मार खाया है, पता नहीं क्या क्या हुआ है ज़िंदगी में, and today I'm lying, sleeping peacefully in my own house. You know, उठ के खा सकती हूँ, घूम सकती हूँ, कल के दिन प्लान कर सकती हूँ, और बहुत कुछ है ना. तो I think I don't want to sound like Gautam Buddha. I mean, he's too big, you know, but this is what I've understood. You know, let's
You understood your
appreciate. You know, it's thank you. You know, माँ बाप आज है. You know, my dad, I lost him 3 years back, and we lose people.
Yes, we do.
You know, so let's just appreciate ना जो है, मतलब कितना ही रोगे और रो के क्या मिलने वाला है. So that's one thing that has kept me going on also.
ये आपने मार खाने वाली बात करी, शैतान थी तुम बहुत, कि किससे मार पड़ी इतनी?
लंबी कहानी पॉडकास्ट में नहीं बताऊंगी.
चलो छोटे से मैं बता दो, शैतान थी कि इसलिए मार पड़ी है कि अरे अरे.
नहीं, not शैतान, the domestic violence.
Within the same
Yeah,
chapter which we were discussing.
yeah. So you come out from a lot of things in life, na? So you need to start appreciating yourself.
Yes.
Just kiss your shoulder, like
You're
you
done.
are there for me, like I'm there. Like मैं तो हूँ ना, मेरे लिए कोई रहे ना रहे.
And you survive. You
Yeah.
survive toughest battles जो कोई देखता ही नहीं है.
Yeah.
I think हमारी सबसे toughest battles ही actually कोई नहीं देखे तो better भी है.
Yeah.
फिर सबको लगता है आप एक sympathy card use कर रही हैं.
अरे वो तो सबसे बड़ा है, और जो मैंने कार्ड आज तक यूज ही नहीं किया, बचपन से नहीं. वो कार्ड यूज करना आता ही नहीं मुझे.
मैं कहने लगी थी कि वो कार्ड यूज किया नहीं, वैसे क्या रीजन क्या था? क्या वो एक इनहेरेंटली नहीं आता, वो या
आता
अपने
ही
इमेज
नहीं.
के साथ जाता
नहीं,
नहीं?
इट्स नॉट इन माई ब्लड. आई थिंक इट्स कम फ्रॉम माई फादर. आई वुड नेवर क्राई, आई वुड नेवर मतलब रो लूंगी तो अकेले रो लूंगी, बट आई वुड नहीं, आई वुड नेवर. मतलब अगर मैं घर पे खाना भी नहीं होगा ना, तो माई नेबर वुड नॉट नो दैट देयर इज नो फूड इन माई हाउस. आई एम दैट क्वाइटर ऑफ अ पर्सन.
वो भी टाइम देखा होगा, क्योंकि बॉम्बे में सर्वाइव करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है. मैं आई हैव ह्यूज रिस्पेक्ट फॉर एनीवन हु मेक्स इट.
I've seen it. I've seen all of them.
It's, I always say success in Bombay is Friday to Friday, and to keep a roof over your head is, it takes guts, it takes courage, it takes everything you have. I mean, even if you're hit, flop, star, superstar or not, but anyone who's in Bombay surviving, they have seen a lot. Easy नहीं है. ना शहर इजी चुना ना इंडस्ट्री इजी चुनी. कभी मन करता है आई विश अगर द यंगर पूनम को बोल दूं कि करियर ये ना लेते, कुछ और लेते.
नहीं, कुछ बना ही होगा ना. पूनम पांडे बनाया है तो मुझे, not every girl can be Poonam Pandey, and I can proudly say that. You really need lots and lots of courage.
There's so many girls these days who are trying to be Poonam Pandey.
I
We have
know
this
that.
this
All I'm saying is कि कुछ भी करोगे, मेरे हफ्ते हर महीने के पैसे घर पे भिजवाना मेरे.
I mean, but when I
copyright infringement.
When I see these, when I see these artists or influencers, I don't know exactly how to address them. Say maybe a Khushi Mukherjee and all these people who are often trolled for wearing short clothes. Not disrespecting to them, just asking you, because somebody who has been there, done that, and done it openly,
I've
unapologetically.
never worn short clothes on the street, and I will never do that.
Yeah, but somebody who's very unapologetic about her image. There are two parts to this question. A, you haven't worn those clothes, but you understand the scrutiny which comes your way. And when you see these young girls who are doing this, how you see this? Are they going a little too far for attention? Or are they also one of those, misjudged persona building cases out there?
I mean, I really want to put my thought process here, but again, अगर मैं बोलूँगी तो लोग बोलेंगे ये क्यों बोल रही है?
नहीं, but मुझे लगता है
But
आपको
मेरे
बोलना चाहिए.
हिसाब से on the street, whatever I do it on the internet, boss. You have all your, मतलब तुम्हारा बटन कोई क्लिक करने का मन करे तब तुम क्लिक करोगे और कुछ देखोगे जब तुम्हारा मन करे. रास्ते पे काफ़ी लोग चलते हैं. There are kids, there are older people, there are a lot of people they walk around, so you can't go in front of anybody's face and do whatever the f*** you want to do. It doesn't work like that, because at the end, this is India. Let's respect that.
And मुझे लगता है कि this current lot of, the TikTok generation, as I call them, the very, very Gen Z generation. क्या ये लोग इस गलत फहमी का शिकार हैं कि the claim to any kind of fame is this shortcut?
No.
Then?
ये देखिए, मैंने भी अगर कुछ चीज़ें की है ना, तो मैंने बहुत चीज़ खोई है.
I have that question with me. That
बहुत चीज़ खोई है. और अगर ऐसा जो भी लोग बाहर जाके उन्होंने दे थिंक कि अगर मेरे एक स्टेटमेंट बोलने से, अगर मेरे कपड़े पहनने से, अगर मुझे I'll become a celebrity, please don't use that route. I would urge and I would say don't use that route. Yeah.
You said you lost a lot.
I lost respect in a lot of ways.
I was coming to that. Did you also lose your peace of mind?
A lot.
Why your respect was just tied to what you wore and not the person you are?
Sorry?
Why was your respect just tied to the image of what you wore?
And not the person
Wasn't
I
a
was. They say, right? If a woman wearing a sari, किसी का अंदर करके भी आई होगी ना, उसको कोई वैसे नहीं देखने वाला. बट उस वहीं से अगर कोई मिनी स्कर्ट लड़की पहन के इज़ अ रॉन्ग एग्जाम्पल. बट अगेन व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज़ कपड़ा बोलता है यहाँ पे. कपड़ा आपकी इमेज बोलता है. वो कुछ भी पहन ले और वो अंदर से कैसा है वो आपको कभी समझ में नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि आपने उस इंसान को उसके कपड़े से उसका कैरेक्टर जज कर लिया. तो बट ये तो खैर मतलब आंखों का धोखा है और क्या.
Then tomorrow, if a Poonam Pandey suddenly does a 360-degree on her image, and you will only see her in, she's dressed beautifully right now. She makes next wear maybe a sari or a salwar kameez or whatever. Will these people who call you out day in and day out, will they start respecting you?
No. No, they won't. Because then they will कि अच्छा she's trying to change her image. फिर वो वहाँ से आएंगे, ये उल्लासनगर से आएंगे फिर. Sorry, that was a lame joke.
No, but it doesn't stop. So nobody gets a chance to. I won't. I'm for the lack of the word. I'm not redemption, but nobody gets a chance to restart or redo or
But tell
rejig.
me one thing. Why do you want to restart to prove any point to anybody?
Do you want to?
I have been there. I tried. I tried to change, my image. I was like, let me put in my, जैसी मैं हूँ वैसा मैं दुनिया को दिखाती हूँ. नहीं इंटरेस्ट, किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. फिर हमको भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं और हमको तुमको क्यों दिखाना है. ठीक है ना. अब मैं मेरे घर पे मैं सुकून से बैठी हूँ. आई एम टेकिंग केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ. डेज दुनिया तो ऐसी आगे की चल रही. बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज who are you, as simple as that. Let's जितना हम दूसरों को प्लीज़ या अपने आप प्रूफ करने देखिए ना कि हमको इनको प्रूफ करना है, उतना यू विल गो डाउन. अगर तुमको कुछ करना ही है लाइफ में, लिटरली ओल्ड लाइन्स आई नो, बट प्रूव योर सेल्फ. और कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. एनीथिंग यू वांट टू डू इट फॉर योर सेल्फ. यू वांट टू मूव अराउंड, डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट डू इन लाइफ, कर लो जो जी में आता है कर लो. बस क्राइम मत करना, मारना मत किसी को, बाकी तो ठीक है ना.
Poonam, जहाँ लोग were calling you out, there was also one time where you took a public stand during the entire Raj Kundra controversy, where you filed a complaint and you were very blatant to say out that the things which were said, the things which were called out. But
देयर इज, सॉरी आई एम कटिंग यू देयर. ये बहुत एक मिस, ये ना न्यूज़ बाहर बहुत जगह. I'd like to clarify, I never filed any complaint.
I was going to ask because there is this entire narrative
नहीं
of you
देखिए, I
filing
filed
a
a complaint. मैंने complaint file ही
in
नहीं
a
की है.
Bombay High Court and then followed that. This is actually how the narrative goes, that not only you filed a complaint, but after that, this entire thing that people are sending you lewd requests to strip. What was this entire matter about? Could you shed some light?
I mean, I vaguely remember this one. He's a sweet guy. Nothing against him. Sweet family. I think ये मेरा connection भी नहीं था. This was the entire जो उनका जो कुछ भी हुआ, it was a different zone altogether. But again, जोड़ दिया जाता है कहाँ से क्या, मतलब ठीक है. So I've got nothing to do with that.
And there was no official complaint or any such thing.
Nothing.
But this second part of it, because of this entire the strip thing, when people send you such lewd messages, internet is an open playground. I know, on as you said, most of the days you don't care. Like, ठीक है जिसको
Yeah,
जो
but
करना है.
sometimes I do. Depends. I mean, yeah.
This is people who also
When you're
cross
frustrated, huh?
line and they lose the entire narrative of you are talking to another human being and they're saying things. How as a woman you then control that not to punch them in the face urge?
I have no idea. I mean, the questions you're asking ना, मैं खुद अभी सोच रही हूँ कि मैंने क्या किया है लाइफ में. मुझ पे मूवी क्यों नहीं बन रही है?
I think शायद इस
माँ,
podcast के
मुझे
बाद
तो एक्टिंग का जॉब कोई अच्छा दे नहीं रहा है, मेरे पे मूवी बना दो.
मैं बता रही हूँ इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद it should be a
हाँ.
good request out there anyone who's saying
Please,
there's
yes.
been a lot in this life to cover.
Oh God, man, what एक मतलब एक स्टोरी हो ना तो सही हो. इतनी सारी कहानियां हैं मेरे लाइफ में. मैडनेस.
अब मन करता हूँ डीएम से लोगों को निकाल कर एक
I pity them now.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
Because that's mindset वो इतना ही सोच सकते हैं.
Yeah. Feel so sorry for them.
जब कोई आपको बोलता है योर कंट्रोवर्सीज फेवरेट चाइल्ड इज इट
Yeah, I mean that's what people call me. I'm not.
दिस
Everyone calls me, whichever interview I sit in, like whichever, wherever. And
बट आई एम आस्किंग यू टू क्लैरिफाई आर यू कंट्रोवर्सीज फेवरेट चाइल्ड डू यू अट्रैक्ट देम
I suppose I am, no? I mean, tell me one thing which is gone easy in my life. मतलब मेरे जिंदा होने से, मेरे मरने से, मेरे वर्ल्ड, मतलब tell me one thing that has gone easy in my life. There is nothing, not a zero. So 100% I attract them, 100%. मैं बनी हूँ, मैं से magnet हूँ, controversy, like, आओ, मेरे पास आओ, मुझे छुओ. Oh God, that was lame.
देयर वाज दिस पूनम पांडे ऐप ना यू वांटेड टू पुट आउट वंस
Yeah.
बना
Oh,
उसका?
वहाँ भी मेरी बैंड बज गई. पता नहीं मैं क्या क्या मस्ती करती रहती हूँ. I think I need to start behaving mature like every other human on earth. I need to stop being कि कुछ
But
नहीं
what was
होगा
the
लाइफ
idea
में,
behind?
सब अपना है, पूरी दुनिया अपनी है. I need to get out of the zone. I'm not in fucking college anymore.
What was the idea behind that app? Kyunki, of course, apps were a thing back then when this particular incident broke out. You wanted to create a personal domain, just the access of you and your persona only there. Why you wanted to be on an app?
So
Your
it could
app.
make some money for me.
Hmm.
Yeah, that was the entire gig, So it could make some money for me.
And when it was taken down before even it actually
Yeah.
seeing the light of the day,
Yeah.
do you feel bad because nobody could even see what you had in mind, what you
And
wanted
again,
to
there
put
was
out?
nothing. मतलब क्यों उसको take down किया था, मैं अभी भी सोचती हूँ. And I remember I was on my way to this press conference off my app, while I get a call like, अरे, they've taken down. I was like, what? That happened.
You never got the answers.
Never.
Do you think that now maybe would you be able to, would you want to?
No. I've like passed all of that now. I need to make nice pakoda after this podcast, have some chai, going to enjoy my life. How I'm talking like the messa.
No, because this is also helpful for me to understand. There's so much information which is so on so many levels misinformation also.
A lot of it.
So I'm taking this opportunity to clear so many things because they're just headlines roaming in the internet and might as well ask the person who's bearing the brunt of it day in and day out.
There's a lot of headlines, which is not true. Nowhere close to the truth. Yeah.
But you, I think, in my opinion, shook us with that one cancer awareness campaign you did. I vividly remember we were in a flight coming back from an event, a couple of journalists, and our flight was about to take off, and we read the news that you're no more. And for 10 minutes, there was an extreme flurry in the flight because nobody could understand what happened to a young, hale and hearty girl. Till, of course, 24 hours later, you came out that this was for an awareness campaign. While there were a certain section of society who were like, great, she actually made people take up and set up notice about such a cervical cancer topic we are talking. There was another section who really went
Yeah.
after
In
you
fact,
that
today morning I was reading किसी का तो article I was reading similar thing कि how could she take cancer, how could she go so low taking cancer as a publicity stunt. ठीक है, इतना देख लिया, ये भी देख लिया. It was, see, people are calling me now. अब जब धीरे धीरे लोगों को अक्कल आ रही है तो दे आर कॉलिंग मी, लेकिन अरे वी रियली हेटेड यू, कि विद व्हाटएवर यू हैव डन, बट लोग बाहर जाके वैक्सीनेशन ले रहे हैं, चीज़ें हो रही हैं, डॉक्टर्स ने काफ़ी दे हैव स्पोकन गुड थिंग. मेरे मेरे जितने डॉक्टर फ्रेंड्स हैं, दे आर सेइंग द सेम. पूनम, यू हैव डन अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब. हम चिल्ला चिल्ला के लोगों को बोल बोल के थके कि एक ऐसा कैंसर है जो आप प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, and people were not taking it seriously. Nobody was. It's like the minute they got to know कि oh my god, this young girl has died, they all rushed. सारे hospital सब जगह, they I will show you after the podcast. It's insane. So I personally feel, with all due respect to a lot of celebrities, there's a term that we always use अपने इसमें ना, कि कोई भी गरम तवे पे ना ये बोल रहा है, हम
रोटी सेक लेंगे.
एक बोलने जाते सब बोलने आ गए. मैं तुमको जानती भी नहीं हूँ, तुम हो कौन? There are a lot of celebrities who I would admire, like, oh my god, I really love this woman, and people just come out and they spoke, like, bluntly, they spoke shit about me, like, तवा तो सबने खुद तो तुमने कुछ नहीं किया है लाइफ में, है ना? तुमने तो और झूठ तो सब बोलते होंगे अपने डेली लाइफ में. 10 झूठ तो बोलते होंगे. मैंने एक झूठ बोला और 1000 से प्लस ज़्यादा जानें बचाई, और तुमको उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है. तुमको मुझे प्रॉब्लम ही है ना, बेसिकली. बोल दो ना.
ये थॉट कहाँ से आया था पूनम? क्योंकि आइडिया बहुत नोबल था, एग्जीक्यूशन पे ऑफ कोर्स लोगों के ओपिनियंस थे. how did you even came to that point कि मुझे ये करना चाहिए? ये how did it happen?
So this thought came from Shebang, which is an advertising agency, and it was completely for this cause. Zero money involved, nowhere. It was literally for this good cause, and I thought, मैं कोई अच्छा, we'll do something nice. But इन लोगों को ना, they literally crucify me. Literally, they did that.
How do you react when why I'm asking is because जब वो न्यूज़ बड़ी बनी थी ना, तो एक also एक कॉन्वर्सेशन शुरू हुआ था that people like Rakhi Sawant, Sherlyn Chopra, Poonam Pandey, these girls do things for attention. What is this classification of women and they do for attention? How do you react to these kind of comparisons, these narratives?
I am a very big fan of Rakhi Sawant, and I would love to be
OG.
compared with her. Other names, I'm sorry, I have no clue about. Neither I would like to talk about. ठीक है ना, अगर देखो, अगर जितने लोग if they want to talk, वो बोलने वाले की तो वो तो
Free है.
वो तो बोलेगा ही. मैं क्या ही कर सकती हूँ उसके लिए. Can't do a shit.
कोई रिग्रेट्स हैं?
No.
ये भी नहीं कि किसी ने एज एन एक्टर उतने चांसेस नहीं दिए जितने देना चाहिए थे.
हाँ, उस चीज़ का रिग्रेट है. उस चीज़ में genuinely I worked very hard. I did work hard for that. But ठीक है, maybe next life I suppose.
क्या करना है अब नेक्स्ट एक्टिंग में? क्या है दिमाग में? क्या सोच क्या रही है आजकल पूनम? व्हाट इज शी वांटिंग टू डू?
Honestly, right now, nothing in my mind. I've gone, very easy, laid back, I could say, happy, go lucky. नहीं ना? Doesn't sound like me, ना?
मैं पूछने लगी थी ट्रैवलिंग करना है, म्यूजिक सुनना है, क्या करना है?
I do have a plan, and I'm working on something. But it's another very gorgeous, beautiful news that you will get to.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Traveling, music, what unwinds you? What gets you in a happy space? Cooking does, of course.
Cooking, oh, I love.
Yeah.
That's my favorite one.
Before you move ahead, what is your favorite dish to cook? Tell me.
Vada pav. I think the entire world knows this.
Yeah, so matlab, you have any secret recipe to it, or the very standard flavors, the very flavors you stick to?
Exactly. Typical Maharashtrian one. I love that.
So that's like the
My
go-to.
most favorite, yeah.
So cooking is one, and
Writing.
oh, what do you write?
I love writing. Shairis, poems, a lot of things. Yeah.
एक तो शायरी आपकी सुनानी बनती है, देखिए, एक तो बनती है.
Okay. I have it on my phone.
We can please arrange her phone for her. I would love to hear from
Really?
This is the side. I'm telling you, the side world needs to see. We are working on it.
Okay, I actually posted something. Shall I?
Yes, Irshad.
Irshad. This is another version of Poonam Pandey.
भाई आज मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है हम एक मुशायरे में बैठे हैं और यहाँ पे अभी बहुत ही उम्दा शायरी पेश की जाएगी.
So this one I posted I've started posting that on my Insta page recently. So this one was, मैंने लिखना पढ़ना तो तेरी आँखों से सीखा है, वरना मुझ जाहिल की क्या हिम्मत, और तुझे हासिल करने की तमन्ना तो सब रखते हैं, इस गरीब की क्या खिदमत.
अरे 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 अरे.
तो ये this is what I do when I sit alone. I write.
I think then you should also be thinking, apart from the 40-year-old memoir, you can also have a book of the couplets and the lines and the
I
poems.
think I will. 100% with. I have enough spice and drama and
You
lot
know,
of
when you said
things.
spice and drama, please, people are making shows on so many celebrities out there. I think we deserve one on your life. There has been so much. You have lived a life, woman. You have lived life.
I hope I get this is my last one. Moksha, please.
But will you be willing for it if somebody actually wants to make a reality TV show based on you, your
I
life?
would love to. I'd love to.
जब बैक देन बिग बॉस किया था,
बिग बॉस मैंने कभी
नहीं किया, मतलब जब आया था ऑफर, कमिंग टू दैट, तब मुझे याद है यू वर लाइक नहीं करना है. कभी वापस वहाँ जाने का मन नहीं करा, मतलब उन गलियों में?
मतलब अगर अभी मेरे पास आए तो मैं खुशी खुशी जाऊँ. जब आ भी रहे थे तभी पता नहीं, आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू बिग बॉस. कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता था, सम मीडिएटर, सम स्टुपिडिटी वुड हैपन, एंड आई वाज कि हे क्या हो रहा है, यू नो, आई वांट टू डू दैट शो, एंड कुछ ना कुछ वुड happen, you know, the amazing mediators. So yeah,
because you are this big boss personality. When I say personality, because it takes a lot of courage, a lot of self worth and understanding that you have to be in front of all those cameras, God knows, for 100 days and battle it out with the constant scrutiny people are putting you through. And I wish to see you there.
I mean, I hope they call me. Please call me Big Boss.
It would be actually fun to have
I'd love
you.
to do.
And a reality TV show based on you. I think that would also be a fun thing for people to see who think they know Poonam Pandey, but they don't know Poonam Pandey.
Yeah. They don't know a bit of me. इतना भी नहीं मालूम है मैं कैसी हूँ.
I think एक पॉइंट के बाद मुझे अब आपकी बात समझ आ रही है, किसी को समझाने में कुछ नहीं रखा. समझना है समझो, नहीं समझना मत समझो. एंड करूंगी बट कुछ फन क्वेश्चंस के साथ, बिकॉज हमने बहुत भारी बातें करी हैं,
बहुत ज़्यादा. It's too heavy. Yeah, I need to.
तो कुछ फन सिचुएशंस, फन कॉन्वर्सेशंस, टेल मी हाउ यू फील अबाउट देम.
Please.
How do you see, though मुझे आंसर पता है but we'll still go it, how do you evaluate friendships in industry? When they say the cat fights within actresses, two people can't be friends, not just in the gender basis also, but otherwise. What's the friendship in industry like?
I mean, I do have friends, and you know, there are two ways to look at it. सब बुरे नहीं है जितना बोला गया है ना कि इंडस्ट्री में तो दोस्ती होती है, you know, ऐसा नहीं है. होते हैं और अच्छे लोग भी होते हैं. तो you know, it's just यार come on, तो कल तो पैदा नहीं होके आए ना, तो you can also understand कि कौन क्या है. तुमको खुद, तुम्हारा भी तो दिमाग है ना. So there are friends, and it's they're good people.
There's this one oops moment with Divya Agrawal.
That is one of my closest friends.
I know, that's
She's
why
one
I
of my
asked.
closest friends.
And that was actually an oops moment if anyone saw the clip.
That night, I remember she texting me ऐसा इतना लंबा चौड़ा voice, Poonam, I'm sorry, I didn't mean it, पता नहीं क्या हो गया. And like, dude, I know, like, you don't have to explain this to me. And she's like, नहीं पूनम, बट तेरी जगह कोई और होती ना लड़की, वो तो पता नहीं कैसे रिएक्ट करती है ना. I was like, dude, तू मेरी दोस्त है, और वो हो गया. तूने जानबूझ के नहीं है, मुझे पता है. एंड वी हैव लाइक ठीक है ना, लोग जो बोल रहे, सो पीपल एक्चुअली थॉट दैट वी बोथ, हम दोनों ने मिलके ऐसा कुछ प्लान
Stage
किया
किया
है.
है.
And that girl, bichara, she was crying when she called me. She was like, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean it. I was like, what is wrong with you? Like, leave it.
हाँ, because even when you meet somebody, there can be a possibility the left to the right
And
of
this
it
is not the first time she's done it in front of the camera. There are other videos where she would come and hug me tightly and, you know, she'd be...
That's how friends meet.
Yeah, like...
अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, वो जो अभी भी आइडियल हस्बैंड की स्टेटमेंट में सुनील शेट्टी चाहिए?
हे भगवान. ओ हाँ, पूरा रिसर्च करके आई है.
मेरी टीम ने बहुत मेहनत करी है, मुझसे ज्यादा उन्होंने करी है. सब फिर
प्लीज
इधर
बोलो,
जाता
मैं
है.
उतनी नहीं हूँ. थोड़ी सी, बस थोड़ी सी.
नहीं, पर ये वैसे अच्छी स्टेटमेंट है. बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल चूज करा है आपने.
क्या?
दैट an ideal husband would be like Mr. Sunil Shetty.
Come on, he's such a beautiful salt pepper, you know, he's such a gorgeous looking man. He looks like a man to begin with.
Yes.
Yeah.
And he's such a wonderful human being. Such a wonderful human being.
I've heard about him, and I was like, how is he as a person? And I was like, oh God. But it's just, see, for me, na, I'm more of a fan. I realized that, you know, like if he would come in front of me, I would just ask for an autograph. It's just simply, hey, can I have a selfie with you? I'm gonna do that. I know me. So yeah.
So still, he tops the list of how the guy when you are 40 and he should be maybe at his next step of the age should look like.
Yeah, he still tops the list. इतना loyalty तो होना चाहिए ना.
पूनम, एक इंटरव्यू में आपने एक्सप्रेस किया था कि मुझे वो सारी घूंघट पहनना है. And then with Deepak Kalal, I think you did some...
घर soaps, the TV commercial.
कहाँ से आया था वो सारी घूंघट? ये इसी आइडिया से कि लोग थक गए, मुझे ऐसे देखते देखते मैं चेंज कर लूँ. Then
मुझे जब थक जाएंगे ना देखते देखते, मैं फिर अपना कैरेक्टर बदल दूंगी. वो आइडिया तो पता नहीं कहाँ से आया था. I don't know. I talk. Come on, like we blabber, right?
एक और शो किया था ना आपने, लॉकअप.
Yes, I did.
I remember.
Yeah.
Lockup was also one of the places where somebody could get a glimpse of. There were a few instances that the side of you which nobody gets to see. A little vulnerable.
There was.
Yeah, because it's just any reality show is tough. You have to be out there. अब vulnerability दिखाने से डर नहीं लगता. अब are you comfortable being who you are, where you are? Today when we are doing this interview, I can sense like this is me. And
fear नहीं है.
अब वो डर नहीं है.
नहीं है. Vulnerability दिखाने में भी डर नहीं है, कुछ भी करने में डर नहीं है. Because see, after a point ना, तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि क्या ही बोलेंगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, और 4 लोग आके 4 ट्रोल लिख देंगे, कुछ गाली लिख देंगे, कुछ ना कुछ कर देंगे. उससे ज़्यादा करे, उससे ज़्यादा उनका लेवल ही क्या है.
बट जैसे पीपल फिजिकल थ्रेट्स एंड हार्म्स की बात करते हैं, ऐसा कभी होता नहीं है? बिकॉज as internet can be a really dark place. मुझे उन चीज़ों से, मुझे personally बहुत घबराहट होती है.
It is. But I suppose for all these years of this crazy experience that I'm holding, I think that fear is just gone out completely. It's not there in my system anymore. And I say this out loud with all due respect. नहीं है. लगता ही नहीं. ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है. हाँ ठीक है. Everything हाँ ठीक है. I'm like that.
And I think you should be like that. Nobody should be changing you.
Everyone should be like that. Everyone should be like that. As long as, and I always say this, as long as you don't hurt anybody, as long as you don't commit a crime. See, that's where you know, go wrong. But तुम अपनी छोटी सी दुनिया में, मेरी दुनिया क्या है? आपने भी जितना भी पढ़ा, ये पूरी पूनम पांडे की दुनिया है ना. एक भी जगह पे कहीं पे मैंने किसी को ना मारा है, ना किसी को मैंने उल्टा बोला है, ना मैंने किसी का कुछ नहीं, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. Entire story is only revolving around me, where people have problem with me. मैंने तुमको भी कुछ नहीं बोला. So I think as long as, again, you know, don't hurt anybody's religion, don't hurt human, don't hurt any other human. बस बाकी अपना करो ना, अपनी दुनिया में रहो खुश.
तो जाते जाते lastly, if you could reinvent yourself, everyone, I think this is a hypothetical dream. एक वो शायद हम कहते हैं ना, मुझे नेक्स्ट लाइफ में ये बनना है, मुझे ऐसा होना है, मुझे वैसा होना है. But if Poonam could get to reinvent herself, maybe in this lifetime only, is there something in her mind she wants to do? a benchmark she has set, a goal she wants to achieve?
I really want a standing ovation once in my life for my acting performance. Really want to see that before I die.
बहुत लंबा सफर है,
I
जरूर
know.
होगा.
I know. कर लूंगी.
And I hope that this courage stays. If nobody's telling the stories, I pray you come ahead and tell those stories. Don't let anyone define your dreams for you.
Thank you.
You have been really courageous. I am glad. I'm thankful to my team as well. They asked me to do this because,
Thank
like
you.
any other person, I was like, there are so many confusions, judgments. How about sitting next to the person and asking that, hey, how true is this? And what I'm taking away from this interview, I think the world can now decide and see. It's very bit out there. Thank you for opening
you.
up. Thank you for being vulnerable.
Thank you. Thank you. It was all
Thank you
lovely.
for being fun. I mean, it was great to have this conversation with you.
Thank you for inviting. It was lovely. Thank you, Bollywood Bubble. It was nice. Had fun.
And I hope whenever we meet next, we talk about that one project which you're working upon, so we can
Yes.
come and
Oh,
celebrate that for you.
100%. That is one cute dhamaka.
We will come and celebrate with you for sure. No, we'll do that. I'm wishing you lots of love, lots of
you.
success,
Thank
and
you.
above anything, personally from mine, and the fearlessness you go with your life with. That's inspiring. No matter what they say, no matter what your actions or what your deeds are, but as a spirit, if it's fearless and you are willing to take the challenge head on, power to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Poonam Pandey, and you are watching Bollywood Bubble.